Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine a new Mailchimp subscriber is created and automatically you receive a notification just like this on WhatsApp that there is a new subscriber added. These are the details. Go ahead and talk to the subscriber. Now, if you receive such notifications whenever a new subscriber is added in your email marketing tool, you can easily contact towards that subscriber, manage the subscriber, and you will be notified so you won't miss out on any of the subscribers that are added. Now, sending the WhatsApp message every time a subscriber is added in your email marketing tool is a very time consuming task. So now I have this amazing setup for you. You will receive an instant notification on WhatsApp whenever a new subscriber is added. Let me show you how. I will create a new subscriber in front of you. I will submit this lead form right over here. So I've written the details, new.lead@pabblytudes.com, phone number, gender male, company name XYZ, company designation not applicable. I will click on the subscribe button next. I'm going to click on this subscribe button right over here. As I'm going to do that, automatically you will see your subscription to our list has been confirmed. That means a subscriber is added in my Mailchimp account. If I'll refresh this contacts page, you will see automatically the new subscriber of new.lead3@pabblytudes.com is added successfully. You can see the same details. It's in my Mailchimp account. Now, if I'm going to open my WhatsApp, yes, you can see I have received this notification successfully. New Mailchimp subscriber added. A subscriber has been joined to the mailing list. New lead3, new.lead3@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number. So I have received the new alert as a new Mailchimp subscriber was added on my WhatsApp. So this is how this setup is actually going to work. A new subscriber is going to be added in your Mailchimp account. Automatically you will receive a WhatsApp notification. So now let's create this setup without need of any coding and programming skills using the software that is Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page just like this. Now if you're a new user, you don't have an account with us, simply sign up for free from this option. You will receive 100 free tasks every month after signing up for free. Using the 100 tasks, you can create this setup right away absolutely without paying any cost. And if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to get unlimited tasks and access to features of Pabbly Connect, what you can do is you can use the code on the left side of my screen that will help you to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I'm on the dashboard. Now to create a new automation, go towards this create workflow option and select the option of create using quick builder. Using this newly launched feature of Pabbly Connect, what is going to happen that as soon as towards your AI you are going to give the request that you want, AI is going to analyze your request, ask you to select certain events, and then the workflow will be generated in front of you. I want to get WhatsApp notifications for new Mailchimp subscribers, so this is my request. I will share it towards this AI flow builder. It will analyze my request. I want that in my Mailchimp a new subscriber is added. Automatically using WhatsApp Cloud API, a text message notification should be forwarded to me. I will approve, create and open this workflow from here and you will see the template will open in front of you. If you want a direct access towards this template that I'm creating in this video, what you can do is you can check out the workflow link in the description section. Okay, so now we are going to simply build the connections between these applications and Pabbly Connect. Now inside Mailchimp, you will receive webhook URL. Using this webhook URL, we are going to create the connection between Mailchimp and Pabbly Connect. Copy the URL and open your Mailchimp account. Go to audience section, go towards three dots in audience settings. And then you have to go towards this webhooks and manage webhooks section. Click on this create webhook option. Add your URL right over here in this field. Select all these options and create the webhook from here. As now the webhook URL is added inside our Mailchimp account, in the trigger go back and click on this recapture button and yes button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Mailchimp is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I will add in a new subscriber using this form inside my Mailchimp account and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of that subscriber that I've generated or not. Okay, so I'm going to add in the details of the new subscriber in this form and show you. I've added the details demo account 88, demo.account88@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, gender is female, company name is best company and the designation is general manager. I will subscribe from here. I'm going to click on this button and then click on this subscribe button after it's verified, and you will see it is going to say you are confirmed to our subscribers list. As now we are added as subscriber, if I'll refresh this page, you will see the same subscriber is added in my Mailchimp account. It's demo account 88@pabblytudes.com, and in my trigger you will see automatically the same response has been captured right here. Demo account 88. You can see right over here female. This is the phone number. It's general manager of best company with all the other details, demo.account88@pabblytudes.com. So as now the subscriber's response has been captured in the trigger, this means that Mailchimp is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now towards the subscriber, using WhatsApp Cloud API, I'm going to send a WhatsApp notification just like this. For that, we're going to set this step up. Go towards this connect option and go towards this add new connection section. It is asking for the token, phone number, ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. To have these details, go towards this hyperlink learn more. You will come to the Pabbly forum page where you will find two sets of tutorials. First tutorial is that how you can set up WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. To have these details, you need to create your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And if you want to learn how, check out this video that is added in this forum page. And then if you want to generate a permanent access token for your business, check out the second video as well. I've already created my API setup, so I'm going to simply copy the details from here and paste it down in these fields and click on the save button. As soon as I will do that, WhatsApp Cloud API is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. For the recipient phone number, I want to get a notification on my number, so I will enter my phone number right over here. After that, it is asking for the message. This is a text message that should be forwarded on WhatsApp. So for this message, I will write it as. So you can see this is the text I want to send. New Mailchimp subscriber alert. New subscriber has been joined to our mailing list. Now it is asking for the details of the subscriber. For the data of these fields, I will map the data. Where you want to map the data, add a slash and search for the data that you want. I want name right over here, so I will select the data of the first name and the last name from my previous response, and you can clearly see the data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I want to map the data of the email address as well as the phone number right over here. After mapping in all the details, I'm going to simply click on this save and send test request button where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and on my WhatsApp you will see I've received a new notification of new Mailchimp subscriber alert. It's demo account 88 demo.account88@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number. So as now I've received this new notification successfully, this means the connection between Mailchimp and WhatsApp is now created. Now whenever a new subscriber is going to be added in your Mailchimp account towards your WhatsApp, an instant notification using WhatsApp Cloud API is going to be forwarded. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want the free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.